What's up guys, welcome back for another video. In this video I'll be showing you guys how to replace the hood lift. This thing is not working anymore. It's not holding up the hood. So I got the hood supported with the chair there. So this is a 2014 GMC Acadia. Okay, let's do the top one first. Show you guys what I'm doing over there. So I just want to put your flathead in here. Pull that out. Shoot. And then you just want to pull it out like that. This is my new one that I got. Alright, just want to double check it. Okay, so just gonna put it in like that. Here's a clip. This one's gonna go on the bottom, and then this one's gonna go on the top. Gonna add a little bit of greaser in there. Put the clip back in. Take out the pin in here. Add some grease. Okay, so the pin's in there now. It's holding it up. Stable. Okay, testing it out. It's holding it up. Check full stable. Looks good. Alright. That's it. Give me a thumbs up. Check you guys later.